All right, this is chapter 13, homework review. I'm just doing some Webers and some Weber conversion and some Maxwell conversions and stuff like that, just to give you some help on this. So we know that if we wanted to find the number of Webers, we take the number of Maxwells, we times it by 1 Weber per 1 times 10 to the 8th Maxwell. That's from your book. So we notice that the Maxwells will cancel, and then we'll just be left Webers, which is what we're looking for. This is called factor label. So let's take 30,000 Maxwells, and we want to go to Weber. Well, we put in the number of Maxwells we have, 30,000, and we take Maxwells, and then I'm going to write this out a little bigger. So 1 Weber. You see I'm putting my units, 1 times 10 to the 8th Maxwells. Maxwells cancel. Now we take 30,000. We take 30,000 times parentheses 1 divided into 1e to the 8th. Gives me 3 times 10 to the minus 4th Webers. All right, so it gives me 3 times to the minus 4th Webers. Also represent this as 3 times 10 to the minus 6th Webers. We can also represent this as 300 times 10 to the minus 6 Webers. So this is the correct answer, both the correct answer, but this is the one I would accept on your tests and quizzes. So let's say we want to find the number of Maxwells. So the number of Maxwells, well, if we want to find the number of Maxwells, we take the number of Webers. We take the number of Webers. And then now what we're going to do is we want to find the Maxwell. There is one... there is 1 times 10 to the 8th Maxwells per 1 Weber. Okay, that should be simple enough. So let's do this. Let's do an example. Let's say we have a total number of Webers is equal to, let's say we have 40 milli Webers. That's milli. Or we could do is 0.040 Webers. Make sure you understand that a little better. So that's 40. That's 40 mils. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. I just put this in. I took the units out. This is mils right here. So if I take it and I do my equation, number of Webers is going to go to 40 milliwebers, or I could put in 0.040. Webers. So I'm going to put in my equation. So that's going to go right into there. So I'm just going to put it out 0.40 Webers times it by 1 times 10 to the 8th Maxwells per 1 Weber. Webers cancel. So if I take 0.040 times that by parentheses 1 times 10 to the 8th gives me approximately 4 million. So this answer is going to give me approximately 364 times 10 to the 6th Maxwells. Remember, Maxwell's the number of lines, so that's 4 million lines. Just make sure my math is looking good on that, which makes sense. All right, so I hope this does help you. Again, number of Maxwells and number of Webers. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me.